Hi guys, this is Pri. Welcome to our channel IELTS with Pri and Aman at IELTS Success Academy. If you're new to our channel, consider subscribing our channel and make sure to hit the like button and also share it with your friends. So in this video, we will be doing a cue card that is amongst the January to April 2024 speaking topics. So I had scored band 9 in my speaking test and I wanted to share some secrets with all of you so that you can achieve the same band score in your exam. So let's look at the topic. Describe a person who always has interesting ideas or opinions. You should say who this person is, what this person does, how you knew him or her, and explain why you think his ideas or opinions are interesting. So, as you all can see, there are 4 questions attached to this cue card, and we need to ensure that all of these 4 questions are answered within the 2 minutes that we are given to speak. So, for a question like this, you can talk about anyone, maybe your friend who has some innovative ways, or maybe your brother or sister who turns some boring things into interesting ones, or even your teacher who teaches in a very interesting or a funny way, maybe. So, you can use any of these ideas for a question like this. So, these are some of the ideas that I just came up with while I was reading the question. If you do have any other ideas, please do share in the comment box below. Also, I have posted a lot of videos about other cue cards which are coming up in the exams or they were like asked to some of my students. So you can also check those out. Alright, so now let's look at a sample answer that I have created for you all. I am a sociable person and like interacting with people of all age groups, including men, women, and children. And today, I would like to talk about my aunt, Mrs. Agarwal, who is 70 years old and is a retired teacher. So, as you all can see, instead of jumping directly to the first question, we have given the examiner a little bit of an introduction as well as clearly communicating to the examiner what we are going to speak about today by using the phrase I would like to talk about. Alright, so let's continue. She is a lady who believes in the motto of simple living and high thinking and practices the same in her daily life. Moreover, she is my neighbor and has been living in my locality even before I was born, and I know her since my birth. Mrs. Agarwal is currently a lead volunteer at a local community center aimed at the welfare of impoverished children of our locality. So, impoverished means poor children. So, we have used a better vocabulary word instead of saying poor. Welfare means for the well being or for the good of children who are living in a society or locality. Alright, so let's continue. She runs campaign requesting people in the society to donate clothes, newspapers, plastic bottles and cans and other waste materials which in turn are recycled into useful items like paper bags, cardboard boxes and planters with the creativity of kids and then sold at an exhibition weekly to raise funds for the institution. So, as you all can see, we have answered the first 3 questions, which is who this person is, what this person does, and how you knew him or her. So, let's elaborate a little bit on the question what this person does, and then we will answer the fourth question, which is explain why you think his ideas or opinions are interesting. Additionally, she also distributes food to poor kids and supports their families with the objective of hunger elimination. So, objective means aim, elimination means to remove hunger. So, we have used some better vocabulary words. So, you can add all of these to your vocabulary list as well. And next time when you're practicing speaking, you can use it in your conversation as well. So, we have given a very good elaboration for the question, which was what this person does. Now, let's answer the last question, which is explain why you think his or her ideas or opinions are interesting. Finally, I find her ideas quite unique and fascinating as she is effortlessly raising funds, which sometimes is quite daunting,
while at the same time encouraging kids in thinking out of the box and unlocking their potential without having them to worry about basic amenities like food and shelter. So, daunting means quite difficult. Unlocking their potential means bringing out their creativity or bringing out their hidden talent. And amenities means daily requirements, basic requirements. So we have used some good vocabulary words here as well. So it is a good practice to just pause the video and write down all the words and meanings so that next time when you are practicing speaking, you can also use it in your conversation.
Also, as you all can see, we used a lot of connectors here as well, like moreover, however, although, finally, and all these will increase our band scores for the coherence and cohesion part later on as well. Thank you for your time, everyone. If you did like this video, please make sure to hit the like button and also consider subscribing to our channel. Till then, take care and see you soon. Bye bye.